Mom,
Yes?
I have a question.
What's your question?
When you get married, do you kind of fuse a little bit? Like with the eye thing I just talked about, where there's a 50% chance of having blue eyes since Dad's blue eye, but you're also green eyes, so that means there's also a 50% of green eyes. But how is there 50% when the baby's coming out of you specifically?
Because there's a daddy and a mommy.
But how does the eye, like when he kisses you, does it make like the baby somehow change?
Yeah.
It does?
Yeah.
Okay. I guess the question is answered then.
Okay. Smile.